Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to show a quick highlight on the focused object in Google Chrome. So let's begin. So firstly, open Google Chrome. Now let's enable this setting. First, hover your mouse to the top right corner and click on these three dots, and below you will see settings. Click on it. Now on the left side, navigation, click on accessibility. Now under accessibility, you'll see here show a quick highlight on the focused object. Just click on this radio button to turn it on. Now let me show you why this is actually useful in real life. So I created this offline demo page with buttons, text field, and links. Now whenever I click on text box or click on buttons, it shows a visual highlight around that object, which makes it very easy to understand which element is currently selected. This feature is also very useful when you are using your keyboard for navigation. To see where keyboard focus moved, and also very useful when you are doing screen recording and making video tutorial and show a visual highlight around the selected object, and also useful for faster form filling without mouse. So this is how you can quickly show a quick highlight on the focused object in Google Chrome. If you find this video useful, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more hidden Windows and Chrome tips and tricks. And thanks for watching my video.